All right, number 14 looks at a tangent. We're going to determine if that line of AB is tangent to that circle. What they're trying to say is that, hey, there's this line and it touches this point. This distance is 7.2. Is it tangent? Well, is it tangent to this point? It's only tangent if the intersection is 9 degrees. Okay? That's the property here. The tangent, if and only if it is intersecting at 90 degrees. So therefore, there's something very unique here. You see how this is a right triangle? So if we can show this is a right triangle and use Pythagorean theorem, then we can say it is tangent. So this has to be true. Okay? A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. This has to be true. Has to be true for that line of AB to be a tangent. That has to be true. Okay? So, all right, let's plug it in. That 12 is the hypotenuse. That 77.2 is the first leg, and the other leg is, let's see, hold on. Give me a moment here. All right. A lot of you actually are going to put 4.8. That is wrong. Okay? It is not 4.8. 4.8 is just this radius. So you want the whole thing. So that's 4.8 plus 40.8. So the whole diameter, which is this leg, is 48 plus 48. 4.8 plus 4.8. Okay? So this whole leg here is 9.6. So it's 9.6 squared. Right? Okay, let's do this. 7.2 squared is 51.84. Okay, plus the 9.6. 9.6 squared is 92.16. Is equal to 12 squared, which is 144. Let's see if that works. 51.84 plus 92.16. Yep, that does get you 144. Since this is true, okay, AB is the tangent. Therefore, we can conclude it is true, right? So the line of AB is a tangent. Okay, same thing here, right? Same idea. This is a tangent if line AB is a tangent only if Pythagorean theorems get satisfied. All right, so again, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So we can say this can be A, so 11.2, and this is the other leg, which is 15 squared. Let's just square everything. That's going to be equal to C squared. The issue is a lot of students get C wrong. C is this entire thing. Okay? It's 68 plus 11.2 because this is the radius. So the whole thing here is 6.8 plus 11.2. It gets you 18. Okay? That is the entire hypotenuse. Remember to add that part of the radius. Okay? So we can now square it. This 11.2 squared is 125.44 plus 15 squared, which is 225. And that's going to be equal to 18 times 8. 18 squared, which is 324. 125.44 plus 225 is 350.44 equal to 324. This is not true. Therefore, we can say that line AB is not tangent. Okay? So there you go.